Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the retouch effect on the polish application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app and then click on the create button in the middle of the screen, select a picture, then you should tap on the beautify button down below, click on retouch. For the better application and more precise application, you need to zoom in, and then you can use the smooth effect by the help of this slide. You can see how it is smoothened. Then you can also brighten up your picture also by the help of this slide, and you have the chance to sharpen it too. As you zoom out, you can see how it looks like in the big picture, and if you are satisfied with it, click on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.